In this video, I'll show you how this WitBites E-ListGenius, E stands for Etsy, powered by the technology of generative pre-trained transformers, or GPTs, can instantly write SEO-optimized titles, descriptions, and tags for your Etsy listings. The WitBites E-ListGenius specializes in creating ready-to-use content that not only engages your audience, but also improves your product visibility and search results. This tool goes beyond just using Etsy's guides on listing creation. It's also equipped with a wealth of real-world research tactics and tricks. This means that when you use it, you're not only adhering to Etsy's best practices, but also tapping into proven strategies that have shown success in the marketplace. The link to this GPT you will find in the video description. Now let's walk through 3 examples to demonstrate the ease and effectiveness of this tool. These examples will show how you can quickly get complete listing text with minimal effort on your part. The first example features a digital download of a unique graphic. It's a playful depiction of a gangsta-style Santa Claus. Let's see how we can instantly write a compelling and SEO-friendly listing for this product. And there's your ready-to-use listing for the first example, crafted in seconds and fully optimized for Etsy. For the second example, imagine you're selling an engraved wooden watch for men. With just a simple prompt, uploaded product image, and provided link to an external site with a product description, watch how the WitBites E-ListGenius quickly writes a complete, optimized listing for this product. That's the second example. In no time, you have a listing that's ready to publish and perfectly tailored for Etsy search engines, despite an issue accessing the specific details of the Etsy listing through the provided link. Sometimes such issues happen. In that case, you can simply copy and paste the destination's information into the tool for a better outcome. The final example is a 24K gold necklace with a heart pendant, a perfect gift for Valentine's Day. Let's input the product details and see how the tool writes a fully optimized listing, including provided important keywords like necklace for her and Valentine's Day gift. And that's example 3. You can see how effortlessly the tool writes SEO-optimized listings. You can also click on the button labeled, "What info should I provide to get the best result?" for guidance on the information you should provide to achieve the best outcome. Through these examples, I hope you've seen how the WitBites E-ListGenius makes it incredibly easy to write complete, ready-to-use Etsy listings. No more struggling with descriptions and keywords. Let this tool do the work for you. As I already mentioned, the link to this GPT can be found in the video description.